Hello, beautiful stars. I'm Selena Rhiannon. Today's light language transmission is actually all about light, the rising power of the light of spring. And with this energy, because we are creatures of the earth, we are diurnal animals, meaning we follow the solar patterns of the day. We are also affected by the light that is coming and flowing back into the northern hemisphere right now with our exposure to the sun. And so with this comes this wonderful energy that is pulling us and drawing things to us. Just like the plants are attracted to the light, it pulls them up out of the ground so that they can grow, blossom, and fruit. And so those things in our lives can also do the same thing. If we set our intentions now, we're able to plant those seeds of the things that we want more of in our life. So this particular light codes, they are all about drawing that energy into yourself and integrating it so that you can use that energy, that light, to eradicate anything that no longer serves you in your life right now, allowing that light to permeate all of your cells so that it is filling you and eradicating any negativity or dark shadowy areas so that you can be filled to capacity with more of this loving spring light. And so from my heart to yours, I hope that you enjoy this light language transmission. Liera la pure analea mana, ure paliatara, she aziana, kule ale mana, kutrea, namalea, kutrea, namalea, alera wale nie, melan wale ela nie na lua, kanaru na ya nie. Ure analama, kore atalaya sania jarure naka ure, urtena sie jaliet, nalua naliela, lalua nalea lua nalea